Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off screen time on MacBook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Screen time lets you set time limits on the apps and restrict unwanted content, but there may come a time when you'll want to disable it, especially if your child has grown up. So how to do it? In this video, I will show you how to do it, how to turn off, how to disable the screen time on your MacBook. It's so simple. So first of all, you can just open your system preferences on your MacBook. Now you can just click on screen time. There is an option screen time on your system preferences. You can just click on that, open the screen time settings. Now you can just click on the options in here. And as you can see in here, the screen time is enabled or on. So to disable it, you can just click on turn off. Click on turn off. So now your screen time on your MacBook is disabled or inactive. And anytime if you want to turn on this again, you can just see on my previous video before I've shown you how to enable the screen time. So that is how to turn off screen time on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.